Ever wonder how to turn your passion for real estate into a steady income? Well, the splendid news is there are numerous ways to make money in real estate. So buckle up for a journey through 10 ways to generate wealth from this fascinating and dynamic industry. Kickstarting our list is the classic and time-tested method of buy and hold. This strategy involves purchasing a property and holding on to it for an extended period, allowing its value to appreciate over time. It's like planting a seed and patiently waiting for it to grow into a fruitful tree. Next up, fix and flip. This involves buying a property in need of a little TLC, giving it a makeover, and then selling it at a higher price. Imagine taking a worn-out old house and transforming it into someone's dream home, all while making a profit. Third on our list is rental properties. This involves purchasing a property and renting it out to tenants. This way, you not only earn a steady monthly income, but also retain the ownership of the property. Picture owning a house in a bustling city where every month, without fail, you receive a check just for being the owner. Fourth, we delve into the realm of commercial real estate. This involves investing in properties like office buildings, retail spaces, or warehouses. Think of it as owning a piece of the city's business district, where companies pay you rent for their operations. At number 5, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. It's like buying shares in a company, but instead, you're investing in portfolios of real estate. The sixth method is wholesaling. This involves entering into a contract with a property seller, then transferring that contract to a buyer, making a profit in the process. Imagine being the middleman, connecting buyers and sellers, and earning a commission for your efforts. Next is short sales. This strategy involves purchasing a property for less than the mortgage owed by the owner. It's like finding a hidden gem at a bargain price and then selling it for its true value. Eighth on our list is vacation rentals. This involves buying a property in a popular tourist destination and renting it out to vacationers. Picture owning a beachfront property, where holidaymakers pay you for the privilege of enjoying your piece of paradise. Ninth, we have hard money lending. This involves lending money to real estate investors, secured by real estate. Imagine being the bank, earning interest on your loans, and having the security of real estate as collateral. Finally, at number 10 is real estate mutual funds. This involves investing in a pool of real estate securities. Think of it as diversifying your investments, spreading your risks, and reaping the rewards of various real estate ventures. In summary, from buy and hold to real estate mutual funds, there are myriad ways to make money in real estate. Each method offers its own unique benefits, whether it's the long-term appreciation of buy and hold, the creative satisfaction of fix and flip, the steady income from rental properties, or the diversified investment of real estate mutual funds. Remember, the world of real estate is vast and varied, and there's a strategy to suit every investor. So whatever your interest or investment style, there's a way for you to make money in real estate. Now go forth and conquer the real estate world with your newfound knowledge.